It's a perfect time to come to a nearby forest here where I live and do some macro photography. What I have for gear is the FL700 VR and the FC VR on the camera body. And then I have this flash reflector, which is kind of cheap thing, but very good in a weather like this, because without a flash, I don't think the light would be really interesting, because there isn't much light in the woods right now. And the camera is the M1 Mark III and the 60mm f2.8 lens. But let's start. Hi there, my name is Peter Forsgaard and I am an Olympus visionary and a professional photographer from Helsinki, Finland. But let's do some macro. And remember, there will be an assignment for you to do the same thing. And I will let you know in the end of this video how to take part and how to get feedback for your images. I will have a live stream again where I give feedback to your macro shots that you've done very close to your home. The reason I want you to stay close at your home is because in many places you have, again, restrictions on because of the pandemic, which is a pity. That's why, or that's one reason that I decided to do this now and stay close to my home. And if you are wondering what kind of macro gear there is available, or if macro is something new, I do have a playlist of macro videos, and you can watch them from there. And then come back to this video and see and get some inspiration. But let's start looking around and see what I can find. There isn't much pretty flowers or anything like that, but there are still some interesting things to photograph. Let's see what I can find. The light is a bit harsh still with this, but I think it can give some punch to the images, and let's see what I can do post-production with these. I might need to lower the highlights a bit, but this is really fun to walk around and see what I can actually find in this small spot. As you can see, there isn't much to photograph, but I think I will get. I'm trying to get 5 decent images, and let's see what we can do with this. It starts to rain, so I hope I can get some water drops. Let's see. That's unusual. I took 3 images of the same spot. And I don't know if I can find anything from here. Well, there is some interesting stuff on this branch. Let's see what I can do about it. I tried to set the reflector on the side here, so there's side lighting. Oh, right now. Let's see, what did I get? That wasn't really good. That wasn't really good. There's not really enough interest on this one. Let's see, what about this? Yeah, this one is a bit better. Let's see what happens if I have the flash as a background. Yeah, it gives a bit different background, but it's not the best solution. The reason I took this 60mm lens, actually 2 reasons. The first one is that it's autofocus. Photographing like this, it's actually a lot better. I could have kind of like a pre-focus method, so that I set a certain focusing distance and then I move the camera and move myself. But I think this is gives me a lot more tools to make the composition. And I already talked about the light. You can use any light, but I think it's a good way of having a flash and remote, so that you can spread it on the side so that the flash doesn't come straight from the camera. I think it's a better solution that way. But as I said, you don't necessarily need a flashlight at all if you want to do natural light photography. Let's see if we can get something out of this. Yeah, they're all right. Not spectacular images, but I was like that the photographing itself is also fun. It's kind of like a ritual to do some images, and that's why it's always a learning curve on different things. You learn new things when you start just looking around, and I restricted myself to a very small area so that I can really trying to find something interesting to photograph. The settings that I have in the camera is I got the camera on aperture priority f2.8, which is the fastest aperture on the 60mm lens. And I have the flash, it's a TTL. And now it starts to rain. It's pretty heavy rain actually. I'm under some trees, so it's not that big, but you probably can see that there are a lot of water drops. And another reason that I took the 60mm lens is that it's weather sealed because of the rain. I don't know if I got enough images. It was a lot of fun though, and I might still keep on shooting. But now I will give you the assignment. Go nearby forest or whatever place you find very close to your house or your home or the area you might work. Take your camera with you. And as I said, I got a couple of videos or macro videos about the gear and about the ideas that you can do. And then you probably saw some ideas on this. And send me the image. There will be instructions in the description of this video and all the timetable when the live stream will be. But it will be my next video next Tuesday. So you have all weekend to do, and then on Monday send me the image. And I will pick around 30 to 40 images to go through on my live stream. And I hope this small and short video was something that inspired you to do some close-up photography close to your home. And here you can watch the videos about macro photography that I have on my channel. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now. And there is a helicopter running by, but I will keep on shooting, and so should you.